Hello everyone, let's learn how to change your age on TikTok. Are you seeing this post as age-restricted messages on TikTok when you shouldn't be? To fix that, you'll need to change your date of birth in your TikTok account. TikTok doesn't make that easy, but we'll show you what you need to do. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open TikTok app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little man icon in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and next go on last option settings and privacy. Now you are come on this menu, and scroll on the bottom of the page to see support and about section, and when you find click on first option report a problem. To find this option you can go on search bar and type account and profile, but the easiest way to go on it is that to click on first option in topic section. Next on this menu click on editing profile option. Then scroll a little down to see all of this offered options, and you need to click on last option, other. On this menu TikTok show you steps to fix your problem, but we need to scroll a little down to see I need more help, and click on it. TikTok doesn't have option to change your age on basic way, maybe in near future TikTok add that option, but today we need to use this method to change age, so we need to send TikTok a feedback to change your age. You need to write message like this one I'm sending. I will share this message in description of this video, and you can copy this message and send to TikTok, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.